Amelia, and today I will be your host for the tour of room 54 at the Relais Christine Hotel. So here I have the room key. They're very Victorian styles with fringes. Inside we go. So to your left, when you walk in, have a nice granite bathroom with a tub, sink, garbage, hair dryer, robes. And this side you got a nice toilet that's Victorian style wallpaper, private, so you don't really get, so other people can use the bathroom twice. Now walking into the main living area, we have my mom here, say hello. So this is the main couch. It is a pull-out. If you look to this way behind you, you'll see a nice TV. There was a nice little coffee table, small desk area, windows, beautiful curtains with fringes, private TV, and then mini fridge, and yeah. So if we walk up to the loft, up the stairway, it's a little narrow, but totally usable. Here we have a gorgeous Samsung flat screen TV. We also have a nice sit-down chair, and then the bed. This is a beautiful queen bed, cushiony headboard, lots of pillows, decoratives. We're on the top floor, so if you look up, there is a beautiful skylight. There's a chandelier down here, and you can look down at the people below. Now, I would completely recommend staying at the Relais Christine. So if you choose to, I hope you have a wonderful stay. This is Amelia signing off. Goodbye.